welcome to the introduction to matrix multiplication. So let's start by acknowledging this expression, AB. What does AB mean? It means we're going to multiply matrix A by matrix B. So let's get the first steps out of the way. We want to recognize this is a matrix of 3 by n, by 2. And then matrix B is a matrix of 2 by 2. What this means is we have 3 rows by 2 columns. And then we have a matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns. Now, writing this out is very useful because we are able to determine if these two matrices are even able to be multiplied by each other. So, we take this number and this number. They're the same. These are the inside numbers. And because they are the same, we're able to multiply these two matrices. Now, these outside numbers will determine the resulting size, the size of the resulting matrix. So we should, in theory, get a matrix of 3 by 2. So let's get to it. So A, B equals some matrix, right? What we're going to do is we're going to take this first row, row 1, and we're going to take both columns. Now it's very important to note that we are going to use every row. It's important to note that we are going to use both columns for each row, but only one column for each. It's important to note that each column, in this case both columns, will be used by each row. So we will multiply row 1 by columns 1 and 2. And then we'll multiply row 2 by columns 1 and 2. Then we'll multiply row 3 by columns 1 and 2. So let's do that. Let's do some arithmetic because it's fun. So let's begin. We have 3 times 4 plus 0 times 0, which gives us 12. And then we have 3 times negative 1, 0 plus 0 times 2, which gives us negative 3. Then we're going to move on to the next row. Negative 1 times 4 plus 2 times 0, negative 4. And then we have negative 1 times negative 1 and 2 times 2, which gives us 1 plus 4 equals 5. And then we have 1 times 4 plus 1 times 0, 4. And then we have 1 times negative 1 plus 1 times 2. And we get 1. See how simple that was? And this is the resulting matrix. Now we notice also this is a matrix of 3 by 2. It is important to note, just because we can multiply AB does not make it equal to BA. And the reason is we now have a 2 by 2 and a 3 by 2. Notice how these inside numbers are not the same. It's impossible to multiply these by each other. I can demonstrate that. So let's real quick do 4 times this. But wait, we can't, because we only have 2 elements here, but there's 3. It's impossible to ever multiply by the third element, because we only have 2 elements here, making it undefined. This is garbage, so don't worry, but keep that in mind. But I wish you good luck in your linear algebra course. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Get smarter every day.